Alright, check it out. I got everything out of this car right now. Alright, I got stuff over there, stuff in the front. This is what it looks like right now. This is where the sub used to be. And that is what's over there. Right here. Yeah. Hooked up to the factory DSP in there. So there's some rear speakers right there. See, so that's what it normally looks like, you know, give or take. This over here, you know, here's the factory amp right here. And that is a mess right there. Look at that. But I have the factory left and the factory right here for the stock sub, but that is going into this monoblock right here, which has a low pass or full because it has a high or low input. Now these are low input because they were going to the stock sub, but the way I had it hooked up, if you can see those wires right there coming from the front, yeah, that it was rigged horribly. But now I'm running the way it should be, and I should be able to control these subs right here off the factory dash and DSP. So I don't need a bass control knob, because I should be able to turn down or turn up the bass from the touchscreen that is up there. So I'm going to continue doing all this. I might take one more video before it's done, I don't know, but I will for sure show you the final product. Alright, so I'm back. Show you the final product of what I did. So here's what it looks like right here. This box is temporary. I'm gonna build a new box, but as far as all the wiring right here, you know, got everything wired up left, right. See, I got it on full and low with the gain matched, and you know, I got the boost on running at 80 hertz. So I'm gonna do a test right here and show you how I am controlling this with the touchscreen. Turn this down. Alright, so oh wait, need to go from Bluetooth. Here we go, and there we go. So let's bring this back. There we go. Controlling it with the touchscreen. eventually,
I'm gonna clear this all out. Build the new box I was talking about. Take the amp off of this box, and I'm gonna make a beauty panel right here with the amp, and the box that I'm gonna build is gonna match the size of this seat that's pulled down right here. So it'll be nice and clean looking. It's gonna be an acrylic with LEDs.
everything will look nice. Push that button. There we go.
Yeah. And everything off the factory dash.
Only aftermarket parts are the amplifier and the subs. So, yeah, that's it. One more thing, I forgot to tell y'all. I have a master switch right here. So, with this switch on, the amplifier turns on, you know, with the ignition whenever I turn the key. But whenever I want, I can kill it too. You know, it's just a little switch tucked right in there. Fits nice. Works.